Hey guys, welcome back to my channels. I'm standing in front of this 3-bed, 3-bath new construct homes in the neighborhood of Mission Hills, just about 5 minutes away from 5 minutes away from Little Italy. And now let me head inside and show you what this house looks like. Oh, before heading inside, let me tell you a few information about this house. This house is 1,500 square feet, just a bit under that. And being built next to a bunch of similar houses. So it's come from the same developers, but this house is not a townhouse. So basically no HOA. Yeah, so let's head inside. Let me turn the cameras around, okay? Okay, we are now in. Okay, and right when we walk inside, you will have your first bedroom. This one, they designed it to look like an office, but it also have closets and restroom. So you can always turn this into a first bedroom and look at this view from the windows down. I mean, it's perfect for an office, but if you want it to be a bedroom, you have an option to do so. So this is the bathroom of this one. Yeah, I love this marble right here. Toilets, very simple, and your sink. They have this half sink right here. I wish they have the full sink, but I guess this also work. All right, now let's heading over here. This is your garage. Let me open it. As you can see, this is a one-car garage, and it's also your storage. I see they designed it to be a workout areas, but yeah, you have more storage room right here, and this is gonna be your line for the laundry. Yeah. Okay, let's head back inside. Now we will go upstairs where all the funds are at. Let's go. Yeah. This house have 3 floors, and let's head to the second floor. Okay, super bright wood. I love the wood joists they have right here. Match the vibe perfectly. And now this is your living rooms when you're heading upstairs. I love the design here. I love the bright colors. And when you look on the side, this is your kitchen. An open space concept, and all the material they use, all the colors, fits each other perfectly. So yeah, have a look. This is the kitchen islands. And this is your kitchen areas. Yeah, everything look very new because it's been built this year. They also have built-in fridge, which is a nice features. Yep, there you go. And dry pantry. This is where they put the dinner tables, but to me, the most exciting part is this. To me, the most exciting part is this living room. Look at how bright it is, how wide, how airy, and the sunlight, it's just incredible here. I can imagine just lounging around this area for days. Yeah, also right here is the patios. Let me show you. So right here they have the 3 section windows. You basically can pull this all over to cover it up, or you can just push it over to this side, making this house an outdoor-indoor situation. Outside they decorating some sitting lounge, and yeah, you also have your outdoor dinner tables right here. Amazing. So next by is another developments from the same developers, and I just touring that house as well. I will have a reels for that one also, but you get a concept, right? Just some wall in between, no HOA, which is the greatest thing about these developments. Okay, and also here they're using the detached AC, so no central AC. Each room will have their own AC, and that is the remotes for that. Okay, now follow me heading upstairs. Oh, and you have all this view, all this window view. Earlier when touring this home by myself before recording it, I was so pumped about all of the features this house have, and this is honestly one of my favorite type of homes. And plus the location here, Mission Hills, is 5 minutes away from Little Italy in downtown. And if you're looking outside, it's not that busy at all. So you can have downtown living situation without the noise, without the traffic. That's a huge plus for me. All right, so we have 2 rooms. Let's head to the smaller one first. This one is the first room, or I can say the second one, since the one downstairs is the first one. You can see decent size, massive window again, and they have the built-in closet system right here. That I'm pretty sure for the TV, and you got all this space for storing your clothes, everything. Yeah, very nice. And looking over here is its own bathroom. All right, let me open the lights up. You can see some. There we go. Bathroom. Yep. Yep. All right, let's turn this off and walking over here. Now, the last, which is the third bedroom on this side. Slightly bigger. Here you go. This is the bed for it. Yeah. And also the same concept, they have the built-in closet system right here. Let me try to open this one now. Yeah, something like that. Ooh, I love the chair. Giving me the vibes of campings. And also, see, another AC. And this is the bathroom for this room. Okay, let me open the light up. Okay, as you can see, there we go. And when you're walking downstairs, this is your view. I love the use of windows and glass they have in this house. It's just so airy, so bright, and one of my favorite features here. So this house are now listed on the market for just under $1,500,000. And basically you get this beautiful house, and the location is on point right at downtown San Diego, not so busy out there, and with no HOA, plus it's being a newly constructed properties, make this house so valuable. So yeah, definitely if you have any interest in this house, hit me up, or any other house, also hit me up. Thank you for watching. My information is down there. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.